Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this laptop right here is a Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 with Ryzen 4000 series like 4800H and Nvidia GTX 1650 Ti 4GB graphic card, and I guess it's the cheapest laptop you can buy in the market right now with Ryzen 7. So I am going to give a quick unbox and a quick review. Yes, I will be providing a long-term review, and I am using it for one day. So I will give you a short-term review like how's the battery, screen, and how the performance. And I have even downloaded the Adobe Premiere Pro editing software. So how it's working and all this stuff. This beautiful lighting. This has only one light. So okay, so we will talk about this in the later in the video. First you go and check out the unboxing of this video. So here we go. So this is the box of IdeaPad Gaming, and it comes really in a good packaging. So we will now open this box and do the unboxing. Do not forget to sanitize the box at this time of the pandemic. So here we go. This is the charger, the first cable of the charger, and this is the 135-watt brick. So this really charges the laptop very quickly, around one and a half hour I guess. And here we get the laptop. It really is covered very well. The protection is really good. And let's see how is it. These are some of the cards, the guide cards and the warranty card. So uh, this laptop comes with a warranty of 1 year, and yeah, like every other laptop. So here we go. We open this laptop. Really comes in very good packaging, and here we go. So this laptop comes in a really good design. Like it's not a typical like gaming type design, but this is a design like mix that this gives you a very cool look as well as it gives you a office look. Like it's not like the funky design. So like the design is really very peaceful. So it's really up to you that you appreciate the design or not. Like when someone goes to buy a gaming laptop, they see that it's colorful with RGB lighting and all the cuts and creases. But yeah, this laptop come in a cool look. So I really appreciate this kind of laptops. So here we go. Okay, so at first I will talk about the performance of this laptop. So if you talk about the performance of any laptop, 4 to 5 things should come in your mind. The first thing is obviously the CPU, then it's the GPU, then it's the RAM, then fourth is the hard disk and SSD and SSD and HDD, sorry, and the last one, which people mostly ignore, is the thermals, like how good the thermals of your laptop can control temperature so that the CPU and the GPU can work at their full potential. Okay, so this laptop comes with a Ryzen 7 4800H CPU, which one it is one of the best CPU, like you cannot deny that. And it also have a AMD Radeon graphics integrated, but obviously we are not going to use that if we have a dedicated. So its dedicated graphic card is the Nvidia GTX 1650 Ti with 4GB, which is a decent, a very good, like very good, not too good, not too good, too low. It's decently good. So this does the job very good, and this come with a proper 1 TB of HDD and 256 GB of SSD, and the boot loading time of this laptop is really great, which I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, so I am gonna shut down this laptop. So look at the speed, how fast it shut downs. Okay, so one light, I think a file was open. So yeah, this light is still on, and here we go. So now it's shut down, and now I'm going to turn it on. So just press it button once. This beautiful lighting, I really like this blue lighting, by the way. So Lenovo came, and here we are. Like really, wow, what a time, man. It really boots off a very good speed. Okay, so if we talk about the ports and buttons, It have one charging port, it have one Wi-Fi LAN port, it have a HDMI, it have a 3.1 USB and a Type C, as well as a headphone jack obviously, and the microphone jack. And over here there is one more 3.1 USB. So yeah, there is two 3.1 USB which you need to keep in mind. There is not three. So yeah, this can be a slight disadvantage, but actually I can fix it because I have a type C cable, so it's not a much big deal for me. And here are the exhaust fan, where from the hot air goes out, and over here this is the portion from where the cool air comes out, and you can see the fan, I guess. Yes, you can see the fan. I have on the flashlight, and this is the beautiful keyboard. I just off the flash, and yes, you can see the beautiful keyboard. This is a start stop button, and yes, this is how the laptop looks. So these are the ports and buttons. The quality of the keyboard is really nice. There is no kind of bend in the keyboard. The key travels are really good. The feedback is really good. Good space between the keys, good size keys. And yeah, the trackpad is a little foggleish. Yes, I can say the trackpad is like little, but the response of the trackpad is really very good. Yes, I can say that. Like it's like I am getting little like it's bending. Like yeah, it's common with every trackpad, but the response is really good. So yeah, this is the ports and buttons of this laptop. Okay, so now I am going to talk about the RAM. The RAM is around 8 GB, and it have a highest frequency of 3200 Hertz, 3200 Hertz. So the RAM is also very good. So the power of this laptop is seriously very great. I am in love with the laptop. With a budget of around 70,000. I don't think you can get such a performance from any kind of laptop, because all the other laptops like the HP Pavilion, Asus TUF, and Lenovo Legion, I guess they are way expensive. Around, I guess they will be more than 80,000, I guess so. You can check it, but actually what's the problem is, in this pandemic most of the laptops are not available in the online mode. So yeah, so this laptop has this keyboard. You have seen that this laptop does not have a RGB, but this have really beautiful blue color lighting, and I really appreciate that. This looks really cool. By the way, the RGB lighting is like way cooler, but I guess this is also not bad. This also looks very great. If you appreciate this, yes, it's good. The keyboard is also very well sized, and each buttons have a good space around it. I really like the keyboard. And if now I talk about the build of this laptop, this whole laptop is a plastic build, and it really does not have any kind of flex. The trackpad works beautifully good. If I want to tell you one thing, that this upper portion have some amount of flex, but it's okay, it's fine, not a big deal. And yeah, you can beautifully open it with one hand. So yeah, so now I am going to talk about the screen. Yeah, I have actually turned on the night lighting. So yeah, here we go. So the brightness is really good. On paper it's around 250 nits, but I really like it, no problems. And this obviously is an anti-glare display. And if I talk about the refresh rate, it's 60 hertz, it's not 120 or 144 hertz. But I'm going to tell you one thing, that if you are taking a laptop for software uses, for editing, you do not need a 120 hertz refresh rate screen. Like me, I am not going to do any kind of gaming, but even if you are going to do any kind of gaming, this is absolutely fine. But yeah, if you need 120 hertz, then obviously this laptop is not for you. We are gonna talk about the battery. So as much as I have used, the battery is really great in this laptop. And in this laptop you have a Lenovo Vantage kind of software, and here you can optimize some things. Okay, let it boot. Okay, so gaming and work, non-gaming, there are many things. Okay, I am very new for this and I do not know all, so I'm just gonna done it. And here you can see network boost, auto close, touchpad lock, and there are quite a lot of things. And okay, the rapid charge is actually off and the Dolby Atmos is on. So yeah, this is a beautiful, wow, this is really beautiful. Okay, the game store, Lenovo. Okay, so these are quite software gimmicks in this laptops. So yes, I guess this is uh, the short-term review of this laptop. Yes, I am gonna give you a long-term review of this laptop, how it is gonna perform. Okay, one more thing is the webcam. It have a webcam of 720p, but the best thing I am gonna tell you is this privacy shutter button. It can open and close. Wow, this is really amazing. Like, if you are if you are concerned about the privacy, like nowadays the laptop gets hacked and webcam also get hacks, and yes, you can have a bad time. So this is really good. So yes, I think this must be in every laptop. Okay, so I think the review over here must be over, a short-term review. So how it performs, does it heat? Okay, if you want to know about the thermals of this laptop, till now I have not done any kind of heavy working, but as per my review, as per I have seen other people, like many of my friends have bought this laptop and I have seen their reviews. So they have told the thermals on this laptop are not too great, but they are not bad as well. They are moderately capable and they can handle the very toughest work in very good conditions. So yeah, this is my review for the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 laptop. So I will bring up a long-term review also. So till then, stay tuned, and if you have watched the video till now, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Okay, with that said, I am gonna close this video. Thank you. Bye.